If you're a Nigerian that based in abroad or you based right here in Nigeria and you're looking for it to buy real estate property, you want to buy landed property right here in Nigeria, especially you're buying right here in the city of Enugu, then this video is for you. So on today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can buy land safely right here in the city of Enugu, and you are going to avoid getting scammed. Now, a lot of investors are fall victim of land scam, especially those that based in diaspora, but they try to buy landed property in Nigeria, especially in the city of Enugu. They ended up getting scammed. It's either they buy a property that look good to be true, or they buy a property that does not exist. If you watch this video to the end, you are going to learn how you can buy land safely in Nigeria without you getting scammed. All I want you to do is to watch this video to the end. Now, the first thing is, what do you want the land for? Now, if you are looking forward to buy a land in Nigeria, you want to invest in real estate property, you want to buy landed property in Nigeria, the first thing that should be on your mind is, what do you need the land for? Are you buying the land where you can buy and build, or you are buying the land for investment? So these are the questions that is going to be on your mind. What do I want to use this land for? Now, if you have decided what you want to use the land for, the next thing is to what? Is to have a budget on your mind. If you want to buy a built property, let me say you want to buy a property where you can buy and your family is going to move in, then you should have a budget. That means your budget should be around like 30 million naira, 20 million naira, 25 million naira and above, depending on the location where you want to invest in. Now, number two is, if you're buying a property for land banking, that means you're buying a property where you can resell the property and get return of your investment. You are buying a property for investment, maybe to save your money for inflation. That means you should be looking at for places that are expressing development, places that have ongoing government projects going on, places that have good growth for appreciation in the nearest future. Now, after you have decided what you want to use the property for, you have a budget on your mind. The next thing is to what? Is to search for a property that suits your budget. Now, this is when you go online and search for property within your budget. And most especially, if you are using YouTube, you are going to search on YouTube the property around your budget in that particular city. Especially if you are buying on Enugu, you can use land for selling. You can search, maybe for example, you can search land for sale in Enugu. You can search 5 million naira land for sale in Enugu. And when doing that search, please ensure that you are buying from a person that have a good track record. You can track the person history, a person that is well verified and has worked with multiple real estate companies. After that, you should tell the person to give you a detailed video of that property you want to buy. For instance, you are buying a property in Night Mile. So you are going to ask the person, okay, this property is located in Night Mile. Where is the landmark and where exactly is this property located? That is going to show you that how verified, how detailed enough. The realtor is going to explain that property to you. The best thing you are going to do is to go for a physical inspection. Now, this is where you inspect the property yourself to ensure that what the person actually sent to you, the video is sent to you, the video you watch your land is actually true. It actually suits where you want to invest in. It actually suits the location where you want to build your house, or the location where you want to start your real estate investment if you are doing land banking. Now, if you're not based in the country, maybe you're based abroad and you don't know how you can go about the inspection, you can send a relative of yours or a friend of yours to go for the inspection for you. That means the person is going to stand on behalf of you to conduct that inspection for you. Now, after you must have done the inspection, the property actually suits what you want, you like that property. Now, the next thing you should do is to what? Is to ask for the verified documents of that property. Now, every registered property has a title document that shows that this property is actually legit, because a document is what transfer ownership from the seller to the buyer. If you are buying from me, what I normally do is that I bring you to our company, whereby I show you how we get ownership. This document help you to go to the land registry to make your search. After you must have conduct your verification, now the next thing you should do is to make payment for that land. Now, when making payment for a land, especially if you are buying from a real estate company, please ensure that you are paying to the real estate company account itself. You're not sending your money to the agent, and after that you get to ask them that, when are you going to get your documentation? When is your documentation going to be out? Is it going to take 2 weeks or 3 weeks before your documentation is going to be out? Then the next thing after that is to get your documentation. Now this is where the real estate company issue your documentation that ownership has been transferred from them to you, because land is immovable. What is movable is the documentation that actually prove that you have gained ownership of a land. Then after you get your documentation, the next thing you are going to do is to what? Is to go for a physical allocation. Now allocation is when they take you to site, the surveyor show you your land the way it is sketched in the survey plan. Now they brought you to site, they show you how your land starts and where your land ends, the boundary of your land, the size and the shape of your land. Exactly what is in the survey plan is what you are going to see on ground. The next thing you should do, which is the last one, is for you to take possession of your land. Now in taking possession of your land, what I mean is that you are going to either do a perimeter fencing on that land, or if you don't want to do a perimeter fencing, you can do a dual fencing or a L shape on that land to show that somebody has already taken fully possession of that land. Now I hope you find this video helpful to you. Now if you are looking forward to buy property right here in the city of Enugu, you want to start your real estate investment right here in the city of Enugu, I can help you out. All you have to do is to call WhatsApp on this number I see on your screen, 070-6728-3262, and I'm going to help you out. I am Freddy, also a real estate friend based in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to give you safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu. The goal of this video is to educate and help people that are looking forward to invest in real estate property right here in Nigeria, especially if they are buying in the city of Enugu.